We are here at our local Walgreens today picking up milk, and I parked over by this bush and there are so many birds in it. I don't know if you can see, but it's really cool. Ooh. There were a lot more when we first drove up. Of course, when I parked the car, it startled them, but they flew to the further away edges of the bush, and there are still quite a few in there. There they are, just looking around, doing who knows what, just hanging out, living their best bird life. It's pretty cool. So, and we are right here by a busy intersection, but here the birds are. I'm trying to stay in my vehicle so that I don't scare them off, just staying right here from the window. So, yeah, pretty cool, right? I've got my teenager inside. He is buying the milk while I look at the birds with my little girl. Ooh, there we go. So some of them flew away, but we still have a few stragglers, several actually hiding in there. All right, thank you for joining me with another episode of How I'm Doing It. I'm Beth, and I appreciate you being here. This is a fine October day in East Tennessee of 2021.